In this tutorial, I will be taking you through how to perform descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. But before that, I'm going to explain this interface because it's very important before we start doing anything at all. So this is the Jamovi interface. After installing it, you're going to have something like this, and this is the spreadsheet, and this is the result section. It's adjustable depending on how large the data set is. It's adjustable. So this is the spreadsheet. We have the rows, we have the columns, and here are different tabs which I'm going to talk about now. So here is the file tab. In this file tab, you can create a new spreadsheet, you can open a spreadsheet, you can import from Excel, from CSV, you can import data using this command. And also there is save. You can save after carrying out your analysis, you've done everything, or you've cleaned your data and all of that, but then you want to save it for future purpose. You can save it here. You can save it as document, you can save it as PDF using this command. And export to, if perhaps you are asked to submit the output of your results prior to the interpretation and all of that, anytime. Here, this is where you can export your data, export your results. So that is that for the file tab. And here is the variable tab. Before that, let me talk about this first. This is the data tab. Here is, after importing your data, this is where you will have your data. So here you can do some setups. You can rename it. Let's say this A is the name of a person, so it's going to reflect there. I'll click on enter, so it's showing here already. So that is what we'll do here. It's also the same thing for variable. It's showing you already. So anything we can do here on the variable tab, we can also do it on the data tab by clicking on setup. So that's how to bring it down, and that is how to take it up. But then I want to erase this now. I'm going to change it back to here. So back to that. You can compute, transform, add using this data tab, insert, append, and all of that. Also, you can filter your data. That's for the cleaning. But I'm still going to show them using a data set for that. And this is for the analysis. We have more than 20 statistical operations here. This is the exploration. Under exploration, we have descriptives, statistics, and then we have plots. We have scatter plots, we have the Pareto charts. Then the t-tests, this for inferential statistics, independent samples t-test. We have paired samples t-tests and one sample t-test. We also have ANOVA, that's one-way ANOVA, repeated measure, ANOVA, MANOVA, and all of that. We also have regression, correlation, logistic regression, we have them here, the frequencies, contingency table and all of that, and we also have the factor. So all of these are the statistical operations that can be done with Jamovi. And here is the edit, basically to edit the result part. You want to change the font, you want to edit the table, let the number or the text and all of that be left aligned, center aligned and all of that. So all of that can be possible using this edit tab. So back to the data tab. So that is all about the interface of Jamovi. And here is the result. After carrying out your analysis, performing your analysis, this is where you will have the results as well as the references. Yeah, you can show your references. You can also hide them using this by clicking on this tab. This is references. It's hidden. I can make it visible. So that is that. I can make it hidden. It depends on my own choice. And this is the p-value if you want them to be in a particular decimal place, significant figure, same as the number format. So that is that about the interface of Jamovi.